Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Test Preparation Zone. In today's video, we'll discuss the Hajj and Umrah Act 2024, a crucial topic for the Moavineen-e-Hujjaj test, especially for the 3-mark questions. This act outlines the legal framework and responsibilities related to Hajj and Umrah operations in Pakistan. Make sure to watch till the end, as we'll highlight the key points to help you score high in your exam. Segment 1. Overview of Hajj and Umrah Act 2024. The Hajj and Umrah Act 2024 was enacted to ensure transparency, efficiency, and fairness in the management of Hajj and Umrah operations. It defines the roles of the Ministry of Religious Affairs, private tour operators, and other stakeholders involved in facilitating pilgrims. Key objectives of the Act. 1. Regulation of services. The Act ensures that all services provided to pilgrims meet a set standard, including accommodation, transportation, and food. 2. Protection of pilgrims' rights. It aims to safeguard pilgrims from fraud, mismanagement, and exploitation by ensuring accountability of service providers. 3. Licensing of private operators. Private Hajj and Umrah tour operators are required to obtain licenses and comply with specific guidelines to operate legally. 4. Penalties for violations. The Act imposes strict penalties for violations, including fraud, overcharging, or failure to deliver promised services. Segment 2. Responsibilities of stakeholders. Now, let's talk about the key responsibilities outlined in the Act for various stakeholders. 1. Ministry of Religious Affairs, MORA. Managing the Hajj quota allocation. Supervising both public and private Hajj schemes. Ensuring transparency in the selection process for pilgrims under government schemes. 2. Private tour operators must comply with service standards as defined by the Act. Provide accurate cost details to pilgrims. Ensure timely completion of all arrangements, including visas, transportation, and accommodations. 3. Pilgrims. Pilgrims are required to follow the guidelines issued by the ministry and cooperate with the operators during the journey. Segment 3. Key features of the Act for exam. Let's highlight the most important features of the Hajj and Umrah Act 2024, which are likely to appear in the test. 1. Quota distribution. 60% allocated for the government scheme and 40% for private tour operators. 2. Fraud prevention. The Act mandates a transparent refund policy in case a pilgrim cannot travel due to unforeseen circumstances. 3. Complaint resolution mechanism. A grievance redressal system ensures that pilgrims can report any issues faced during their journey. 4. Penalties for non-compliance. Heavy fines and cancellation of licenses for operators who fail to meet service standards or engage in fraudulent activities. Segment 4. Example 3-mark questions. Here are some example questions you should prepare for this portion. 1. What are the responsibilities of private tour operators under the Hajj and Umrah Act 2024? Answer. Operators must comply with standards, provide cost transparency, and ensure timely arrangements for visas, transportation, and accommodations. 2. How is the Hajj quota distributed under the Act? Answer. 60% for the government scheme and 40% for private operators. 3. What penalties are imposed for non-compliance with the Act? Answer. Heavy fines, license cancellation, and blacklisting for operators. This was an overview of the Hajj and Umrah Act 2024, focusing on the key points relevant to the Moavineen-e-Hujjaj test. These details are vital, especially for the 3-mark questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Test Preparation Zone for more informative content. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section below. Best of luck with your preparation.